Okay, for the X-ray machine, first thing we have to do is to log in here, and we can use the admin and the password 111 and enter, and then I will show you how to use it. We log a new product, load a new product, and then we turn to this parameter. We can change the name and a single or bold, and the length. For example, this product we can set around 250, and this is not important. The reject start, reject continue, when the rejector start, and how long it will continue, and speed. Default value is 30, and the voltage and current, and I can show you here settings, accelerator, and this one is a 350 volt machine, so you cannot over that max power. We can set like 60 and 4000. So for now it's 240 volts, and we save it. And let's turn to the right. Here the first one is default enabled, and we have to use this AI detection and select the model and save again, and turn to here sensitivity. We can close this by set it to 255. So for now we only use the AI detection, do not use this detecting. And the first gray we can set to 254, and then we can start. Okay, now we pass the product. You can see the product here, and then we adjust the image from here, parameter, image enhance config, and you can see here this is the build and this is the product. We set the map start on the left of the product and the map end on the right of the product, like this. And the higher the map start, to get close to the product, the darker the image will be. And if you cover it, it will be too dark. This is not okay. So make sure it's on the left. And you can see this reference. It's good to around 200. And we back to sensitivity. Click save. And the image will change, and then we pass with testing card. We pass with this. Okay, now you can see all the testing ball is detected.